Students, so today from the rational numbers, we will study the topic representation of rational numbers on the number line. You know already read about the number line. So how we represent our number line on a straight line, okay, with two arrows at its end, which shows you that this number line is not ends here. ठीक है, why we put these arrows at the end of the number line? Because these arrows tells us that this number line not ends here. ठीक है, it represents a type of ray. Now see, on this number line I will say 0, and on the right side of 0 there are positive numbers, and on the left side of zeros there are negative numbers. So can I say that natural numbers are located on the number line? So the answer of this question is yes. आप देख सकते हो 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can represent natural numbers on the number line. Similarly, if I talk about the whole numbers, can I represent the whole numbers on the number line? So the answer of this question is also yes, we can represent the whole numbers on the number line. You can see your number line here: 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all these numbers are the whole numbers. So we can represent whole numbers on the number line. Now we will move further. So the question arises is, can I represent integers on the number line? So I will see integers here that there are negative numbers also present on the left side of 0, and on the right side of 0 positive numbers are present, and in the middle 0 is present. So what is the definition of integers? Integers are the collection of all positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. So can I say I can represent integers on the number line? Now we will see that on this number line, where we are able to see the natural numbers, whole numbers and integers in between all of them, how can we represent our rational numbers, or where do we represent our rational numbers? So now see, we first for that we will take an example 1 by 2. So to represent 1 by 2 on the number line, I will draw a number line. ठीक है, on the number line 0, -1, 1. I will draw these three numbers on the number line first. Now what your 1 by 2 means? 1 by 2 means कि out of 2 halves, 1 half you have to represent, or 1 half you have to take. Yes, this is the meaning of 1 by 2. The fraction 1 by 2 tells you that out of 2 halves you have to represent 1 half. So I will do, see, it is on the positive side, so it will lies between 0 and 1. So I will divide this line between 0 to 1 in 2 equal parts. In how many parts? In 2 equal parts. So when I divide this line in 2 equal parts, one part is here and the other part is here. So can I say this is 0, this is 1 by 2 and this is 2 by 2. You can say na 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So that is how you will get your 1 by 2 on the number line. ठीक है, because out of two halves you have to take only one part. So when you divide this line between 0 to 1, ठीक है, so you will take this point is what? 1 by 2. Now we will see one more example of 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 means 1 half out of 3 halves. It means now we will divide our line in how many parts? In 3 parts. So between 0 to 1, I divide my line in 3 equal parts. तो जब मैंने अपनी लाइन को 3 equal parts में divide किया, so can I write this as 1 by 3, this as 2 by 3, and this is equals to 3 by 3. So that is how I am getting 1 by 3, a rational number on the number line. Now see the another example, 1 by 4. So what your 1 by 4 says? 1 by 4 tells you that 1 half out of 4 halves. So it means now I have to divide my number line between 0 to 1 in 4 equal parts. So see here, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. तो 4 equal parts में मेरी number line divide हो गई? Yes. So can I write this point 1 by 4, this point 2 by 4, this point 3 by 4, and 1 को can I write 4 by 4? Yes, 4 by 4 है तो 1 ही आएगा ना equal. So that is how we represent 1 by 4 on the number line. Now in all these questions, examples that we have take 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4, you can see in all these examples your numerator is less than your denominator. Now we will see one more example in which my numerator is greater than my denominator. So I will take 10 by 8 on the number line. So I will represent 10 by 8 on the number line. So to represent 10 by 8 on the number line, first we will see that what 10 by 8 says. So the meaning of 10 by 8 is that in 8 parts we have to divide a line. First of all, ठीक है, क्योंकि हम सबसे पहले कहाँ से start करेंगे? We will start from our denominator. So out of 8 parts 10 नहीं, अभी हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? हम सबसे पहले we will divide our line in 8 parts. So I again draw my number line. So between 0 to 1, I divide my line into 8 parts. तो जब मैंने अपनी line को 8 parts में divide किया, so what I will get? Here I am getting 1 by 8, then 2 by 8, then 3 by 8, then 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, और can you say that 8 by 8, इधर लिख रही हूँ बेटा, इधर ध्यान से देखो, 8 by 8 is equals to 1. Yes, but what we want? We want 10 by 8. It means ये 1 को भी क्रॉस कर रहा है. It means now I have to divide my line in 8 parts between 1 and 2 also. So when I divide my line into 8 parts between 1 and 2, what I am getting here? I am getting 9 by 8 first, 10 by 8, then what you will get? You will get 11 by 8, 12 by 8, 13 by 8, 14 by 8, 15 by 8, and can you write 2 as 16 by 8? 8 to 16 na? So can you write 2 as 16 by 8? So yes. So that is how you will represent your rational numbers on the number line. So here some rules that you can conclude from this example. So what are the basic rules? ठीक है? So see the first rule. The first rule is if the rational number is proper fraction. So what is the meaning of proper fraction? Proper fraction means your numerator is less than your denominator. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. We take these examples to discuss that how to represent a rational number on the number line. In all these examples, your numerator is less than your denominator, and we see in all these examples that your rational number is lying between 0 and 1. It lies between 0 and 1. So this is your first basic rule to represent a rational number on the number line. Now see the second rule. Your second rule says if the rational number is improper, अगर मेरा rational number क्या है? Improper है, then we first convert it to mixed fraction. तो हम उसको पहले किस में convert कर सकते हैं? We will convert it in the mixed fraction. Then the given rational number lies between the whole number and the next whole number. So the example of this we see 10 by 8. 10 by 8 हमने देखा था? Yes. And अगर मैं इसको mixed fraction में change करूँ, so can I write it 1 2 by 8? Yes. So it means जो हमारा रूल बोल रहा है वो ये बोल रहा है जब भी मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में जो लिखेंगे तो जो हमें होल नंबर मिलेगा उसके और उससे नेक्स्ट होल नंबर, सो 1 से नेक्स्ट होल नंबर क्या है हमारा 2, उसके बीच में वी विल गेट द रैशनल नंबर. तो ऑन द एग्जाम्पल वी हैव सीन दैट 10 by 8 is lies between 1 and 2. So the next thing that we will see, to express a rational number appropriately on the number line, divide each unit length into as many number of equal parts as the denominator of the rational number and then mark the given number on the number line. Means हमें denominator को देख के उसको इतने equal parts में number line को क्या करना है? Divide करना है. Now see the example, one more example here. Your example says express 4 by 7 on the number line. Now you have to express 4 by 7 on the number line. अब 4 by 7 को आपको express करना है on the number line. So first of all, when you see this fraction or rational number, can you say that your numerator is less than your denominator? Yes, your numerator is less than your denominator. So here you can say 4 by 7 is a proper fraction. So 4 by 7 proper fraction हो गया. तो according to the rule, it will lies between 0 and 1. तो ये 0 and 1 के बीच में लाई करेगा. अब 0 and 1 को हम नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो we will make sure that between 0 to 1 I will divide my line into 7 equal parts. So I take my line, number line 0 and 1, ठीक है, and I divide this line into 7 equal parts. So this become 0 is what? 0 by 7 is 0. Now 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 and then 7 by 7 which is equals to 1. So that is how you have taken, see here, this is your first part, this is your second part, this is your third part, this is your fourth part, this is your fifth part, and this is your sixth part, and this is your seventh part. So out of 7 equal parts, you have to take 4 halves, 4 parts. Okay? So that is how we represent 4 by 7 on the number line. Okay?